AC voltage measurement using transformer.
Hertz measurement. Duty cycle can be switched during measurement.
NCV non-contact induction voltage, safe to use. Zero firewire identification. Connect the red pin. Use the test pin to take a single measurement. DC voltage measurement. Related power supply measurement display. 9-volt battery measurement display. L220 model battery measurement display. R14 battery measurement display. 18650 battery measurement display. AAA model battery measurement display. Resistance measurement. Both sides can be measured. Diode measurement. Positive and negative poles need to be aligned. Button to detect whether the line is on or off. Capacitance. You can discharge before measuring. Comparison of accuracy. Compared with the cable multimeter, the value is very accurate. Flashlight can be used in the dark.